Happy first day of spring 2024, everyone. It's Bonnie Hunter in the Quiltville studio, and I had planned to do this little video outside with my quilt artfully displayed over a tree branch, but the wind is gale force and it's less than 40 degrees out there. So it just was not happening. But I have a pattern release today, and it's one I've been asked time and time again. When are you releasing that? When are you releasing that? This is my quilt Big String Quartet, so named because all of the string units are pieced into segments of 4. So you have 4 units, 2 times 4 is 8 units, and 4 times 4 is 16 units. So everything is based on multiples of 4. So we have Big String Quartet. Now, why is it big? Because the pattern is for a quilt that's 93 by 93. But it's really easy to leave off columns if you want it smaller, or to add more if you want to make it bigger with enough drape for your king-size bed, which is also what I ended up doing later. I used all of my favorite scraps in here. All of the small cut-off corners are perfectly placed in the corners of the string blocks. And I was able to include all of my favorite things in here and all the colors of the rainbow. And I absolutely love the short and long sashings and how that gives this sash quilt a whole different dimension. You'll find the PDF pattern for Big String Quartet in the digital pattern section of the Quiltville store at quiltville.com. It's 25% off through the end of the month, so order now. You don't need any coupons or anything like that. It's already marked 25% down. And I forgot to add, I'm having a gift away on my blog. I'll be drawing for winners to receive a free PDF pattern for Big String Quartet from me and a rolling with color roll from cottontoquilts.com. All the details are on my blog. Sign up on my March 19th blog post to win. I am pulling this from several social media sites, and I'll be pulling one winner from everyone who enters from all my sites on my blog. So no matter where you are, head over to my blog at quiltville.blogspot.com and get your entry in on today's gift away post. Good luck, everybody.